Quiet on the set!
Remember speed?
What's the matter, Bob? Oh, looks like your flower is a bit wilted. I can teach you a thing or two about plants, but you gotta promise you can keep a secret. Follow me! Welcome to our rooftop garden. I've been meaning to tell you about this place. This is a place where we can bring very ill plants to make them feel better. They're all cared for around the clock with a lot of extra nutrition and water. Let's put your flower right here with them. This garden has hoses running all around it, delivering everything that the plant needs to get healthier. In a way, it's just like the human body. You see, we have little vessels that take blood, water, and nutrients all over our body. They help us absorb oxygen and process the food we eat. Remember our metabolism? The amount of blood, water, and nutrients each organ gets is regulated by the endothelium, the thin layer of cells that lines the inside of blood vessels. That is called tissue perfusion. But sometimes, diseases can cause some problems with the hoses, these tiny vessels, that run all over our body. That's what's called endothelial dysfunction. Just like the hoses help water the plants, the endothelial cells help keep our bodies functioning properly. But if the hoses get clogged or damaged, the water can't flow properly, and the plants won't get the nourishment they need. This is present in many critical diseases and can lead to a variety of health problems. If the endothelial cells become damaged or diseased, they can't do their job properly, and that can lead to all sorts of problems in the body. In critical care, monitoring tissue perfusion in very ill patients and their non-vital organs can be very helpful. You see, when the body is very sick, all the resources and nutrients are diverted from the peripheral organs, like our hands and forearms, to our main organs, like our brain and heart. This is so our body can make sure to prevent a stroke or a heart attack. So, if we measure the peripheral areas, which are more easily accessible, we can see that something is not right. By shining a laser on the skin and measuring how the light is scattered, doctors can get a detailed look at the blood vessels in the peripheral organs and assess how well they're functioning. Doing this, we can make sure to maintain the tissue oxygenated and avoid any damage. We can measure balance between oxygen delivery and oxygen consumption with this information. Doctors can figure out when it's important to initiate therapy, evaluate when a therapy is going well, and help the patient throughout their recovery. Using lasers, we can have all kinds of insights into how well our body is functioning, like measuring tissue oxygen saturation, our brain, our metabolism, and our muscles. And once a patient is out of danger, be it a plant or a person, we can take them back home and make sure to keep taking care of them to bring them back to a normal, functioning health. Just like this garden, our bodies are beautiful and complex. They deserve to be treated with care and respect.